So yeah, okay, you have been waiting for this. Oh my God, 6 months. All right. So here is our first take and action. So hold on. Okay, first take, action. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Cut. Why does it say 20th Television Fox? Because I like that. It's not funny, I swear. Okay. Next take. And action. Dun 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 Cut. Why does it say 20th Century Pictures Inc? And why are the letters so long? Because I like it. It's not funny. Alright. Next take. And action. Dun 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 dun. Cut. Why does it say Fox Star Studios? Because I like it. I like Fox Star Studios. It's not funny. Yeah. So, wait, Isaac, you're back? Oh my God, please stop. Anyways, moving on to the next take. And, yeah. Next take and action. Dun 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 dun. Cut. Why is the O tilting right? Because I like it like that. It's better than the normal version of 20th Century Fox. It's not funny, Isaac. Please. Why are you back? To make more studios, and yeah, I'm back for 20th Century Fox Bloopers 3. Okay. Well, next take. Action. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Whoa, dun 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 dun. Cut. That's very good, but still cut. Why is it 75 years version? I want it in the 2009 version. Because the 75 years. Plus, 20th Century Fox is 86 years old. Come, oh my God, Isaac, please. Okay. Next take. And, yeah, next take. And action. Dun 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 dun. Whoa, another strong one. Cut. Why is it 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment? Because I prefer it in 20th Century Fox. Cut, please don't. Okay, anyways, moving on to the next take. And, okay, next take. Action. Dun 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 dun. Cut. Why does it say 20th Century Fox Studios and the studios is covering the fox? Because that's the current logo right now. I know it's the current logo, but I want it 20th Century Fox. Okay. All right. Right. 2 more takes, and I swear, if you blow this up, I'm gonna hit you. Or fire you. I'm gonna fire you. Yeah. So, anyways, next take. Action. Dun 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 dun. Cut. Why is it 20th Century Fox Television? Because I like 20th Century Fox Television. Yeah. Stop with your little bad jokes. And I swear, this is the last take. If you don't get it right, I'm gonna fire you. Yeah. Last take and action. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. You have successfully did it. Yeah, congratulations. You did it. And yeah, so you're not fired pretty much. And yeah, I'll see you in the next